Welcome back everybody. So this is gonna be a quick update video for you guys on stock market, and before we get started, please smash that like button, and 100 plus likes on this video would be greatly appreciated guys. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Now if you want to get my daily trade ideas, swing trade ideas, live trading, and you want to support the channel, definitely check out their link down below in the description for Patreon. So before we get started, quick reminder guys, more likes means more video, and I'll continue to put out contents for you guys. And you can see, we did not actually get to 100 likes on this video. We did actually exceed 100 plus on this one. Video came out the next day, and look at this one here, face ripper rally incoming. What happened today? You guys all know, massive rally to the upside, and even this video did not get over 100 likes. So would really appreciate 100 plus likes on these videos, and we're getting really close to 10,000 subscribers. Let's push it guys. Tomorrow, first of the month, let's push it. Let's get there, 10,000 subscribers, and especially tomorrow, first of the month. And this is actually my X account, and if you guys are on there, you can give me a follow right here. But look at these plays, and especially tomorrow, first of the month, if you want all kinds of setups. Look at this right here. Nvidia, we picked up shares day before yesterday, picked up more yesterday. And where is Nvidia trading today guys? Exploded. Look at this, took profit from my bed, 7:23 a.m. Look at this one, UPST also took profit, 7:25 a.m. Starbucks closing this position, did close this position when in the money, another winner. Look at this right here, and it's not showing the whole thing because I was selling right here at 9:30. You can see on top, added a little more here. So I was building the position, and this thing, 485 calls. Exploded over 100%. Now, look at this play right here. And I know a lot of you guys don't like to trade options, don't have any idea how to trade options. But look at this. Just plain old shares. Nothing else. Picked up Google shares where? 166, and today it was almost 176. Took profit on that one as well. And you can see right here guys, these plays, you cannot get all these plays in same day. A lot of people out there, they share trade ideas, but not many as I do. So especially if you're really serious about trading and you want to join, first of the month is tomorrow, and you can try out the Patreon. Definitely that link will be down below in the description. And not only that, by doing that, you're also supporting my work and my channel, and I do appreciate that guys. Dow is up 0.24%, Nasdaq going up 2.64%, S&P going up 1.58%, and Russell also pushing today up over 0.5%. And here's 11 sectors that makes up S&P 500 on top. We got technology, basic materials, consumer cyclical, utilities, communication services, industrials, energy, financial, and lagging behind real estate, consumer defensive, and healthcare. So what do we got here on stock market map? We got Tesla going up over 4%. Amazon, they do have earnings tomorrow night, up almost 3%. Meta up 2.5%. And now with earnings up another 5%. Google, you guys saw that play, up 0.75%. Apple, they also have earnings tomorrow night, up 1.5%. And Microsoft, this was a fantastic dip I actually caught last night around when they actually released earnings. This thing dropped like 30 bucks, and I got in at 390.66 with 100 shares. And that was up over $2,000 in just a matter of maybe hour to hour and a half. It was a really nice, good dip here on Microsoft. Another one, Nvidia, you guys saw that, also up 13% on the day. And some of these big banks are down today, JPM, Wells Fargo, and Bank of America. On QQQ, it's up almost 3% on the day. Now, I was against shorting this. You guys saw that don't short this. And then the video came out, face ripper rally incoming. Now, when you buy dips, yes, things can come down. When I started buying dips, it was, I think, Roy here, guys. Roy here. And then we went back up. It was green. We came back, added more. You guys saw that position on Qs. 485 calls and still holding some calls. So there might be more money here on QQQ. Now, a lot of people, what I saw, and that's how you usually find bottom here in this market. people are getting bearish and talking about a crash. It's only down, I mean, it's not down that much. I mean, what was it, 50 bucks from the top? And we needed that dip. I've been talking about that dip for months, that we need a dip. We cannot be going up here and chasing. And trust me when I say this, guys, I don't want to show you guys all my plays. We were actually short on Qs from the top. Shorted. That one also went up over 170%. I actually got out completely. Not even a single runner left yesterday. And then picked up all these calls. And today, this thing went to the moon. I mean, look at this move. Up almost 14 bucks on the day. Got up to 473. And now if you look at my screen, we actually got higher volume than yesterday. And also you can see it's trading over 5-day moving average, 462. We gapped up and ran all the way up to almost 50 SMA. Now, critical level here to watch. And we might go back up all the way up to 480. My calls might go even in the money. And that is why I'm holding. Usually, we get a pullback end of July, and then market finds a bottom. Now, is this the bottom? No. Is this a bottom? Yes. Short-term bottom right here. If this thing can clear, I would say 480 to 482 20-day moving average in next few days. We're out of the woods, and we might be going back up to all-time highs again. And that is where a lot of people get it wrong when things are getting oversold. I mean, look at this. Why would you go and short this? It's hitting lower Bollinger Band right here multiple times, and I'm buying dips, and some people are going short here. I mean, that's the easiest way to lose money. You don't want to buy it? That's fine. Just watch it. But shorting here, I mean, how many people got squeezed out today? Imagine shorting yesterday, and today, this thing is up 14 bucks. Your puts are gone. I mean, they're not going to recover anytime soon. It's totally gone. And now, we might be going up even more. And you can see, I mean, it's up 0.5% again. So with Meta's earnings tomorrow morning, don't be surprised to see maybe another 0.5% to 1%, 1.5% gap up. That can be possible right here on Triple Q. So going into tomorrow's session, if there is a pullback, now there will be support right here at 468. Underneath that level, 463. 5-day moving average, and then critical support at 460. But if this rally continues tomorrow and we actually get above 50 SMA, which is sitting near 474, then watch out for a move easily up to 478, 480, this gap on top, and then even retesting negative sloping 20-day moving average, 482. On SPY ETF, it's up 1.63%, and look at this monstrous run to the upside. I mean, we almost took out 20-day moving average, 552.50. We actually got up to almost 554 and then pulled back, and now holding over this support right here, 550. So 550, that's going to be your line in the sand for tomorrow. And underneath that level, 547, this gap. And then we can talk about 543, 537, and then this gap right here, which is near 537. I mean, exactly pretty much right at 537. Now to the upside, if this thing can hold anywhere from 547 to 550, even 543, watch out for the move back up to 20-day moving average right here, 552.50. Soon as we take that out, this thing heading higher easily up to this high right here. That's going to be around 558 to 559, and over that level, going back up to all-time highs, or at least going up and filling this gap at 562 right here on SPY ETF. On IWM, it's up 0.5%. So IWM, we actually got the breakout. Actually, we made a new high today on this daily time frame. Got up to 228.63, almost 229. But the breakout did not actually hold because there are no rate cuts yet. You know, Powell did not indicate that they're cutting rates anytime soon. No indication, nothing. Everything is unchanged. So the market, everything else rallied except IWM. And I think it's just waiting for Powell to say, you know, we're going to do the rate cuts and this thing will fly back up to all-time highs. But for now, I mean, it's still looking bullish, extremely bullish. If this thing can take out 225, you can see multiple rejection at 225. If that's out, guys, the next stop right here on top, retracing upper Bollinger Band, it can go there easily. We saw 228, 229 today. So over that, this thing can go up to 233 almost right here to retest upper Bollinger Band, and that's how far this thing can go over 225 in the short term, and definitely even on longer term can go up and retest previous all-time highs, maybe even make brand new all-time highs. Now to the downside, if this thing gets under 5-day moving average right here, 222.59, in that case, watch out for the support 220.97 right here, and underneath that level there will be more dump off easily down to 215, and then this gap to 11.23. On DIA, it's up 0.27%, so this thing exploded again. I mean, almost near all-time highs. Now, the question here, and I know a lot of you guys will say this, is this actually a double top? Well, that could be a double top, but look at the volume here, guys. Explosion here with a lot of volume, and this thing got up to 412. So is this just taking a breather? Because this thing is going up way, way more than anything else. Just in recent times, I mean, from these lows, I mean, look at the move here. In just a matter of 1 week, from 398 up to 412. That is a big move on Dow Jones. Now, this candle definitely does not look that bullish, so you need to watch the support carefully, and that's gonna be a critical support to watch right here, guys. 406 and then 405, these two moving averages, 13 and 5, and underneath that level you're going to see 401 to 400. But as long as you can stay above, I would say 405, it's bullish. And watch out for the next target to the upside, and that's going to be going back up to previous all-time highs, and over that we could see brand new all-time highs, blue sky above 413.86 on Dow Jones. On VIX is down over 7.5%, and this thing definitely broke down today underneath 5-day moving average, which is sitting at 17, and now it might be heading to 15 bucks again. And if that happens tomorrow or into Friday, you're going to see a big rally here in the market. I mean, we already saw a massive rally. I mean, a 3% move here in the market, especially on Nasdaq 100, was a big move in just a matter of 1 day, guys. I mean, forget about, 1 sigma, 2 sigma move. I mean, that was like a 4 sigma move today. Exploded. So if this thing pushes down even down to this critical support 15, you're going to see market going up even higher. Now, VIX breaks and holds 17 and then takes out 18. Consider this is a higher low, and we might be going up to a new high, and that could be over 18, 20 bucks, and possibly even higher. But because this thing is trading under negative sloping 5-day moving average, as long as VIX is under 17, watch out for a drop down to 15, and underneath that level, this thing will flush easily down to 13. So the dollar definitely breaking down today, and you can see this bear flag playing out, and now dollar trading at 104, down 0.5% on the day. And the next support will be down here 103.77 to 103.58, and underneath that level, dollar can flush easily all the way down to flat 103 and possibly even much, much lower. Now to the upside, dollar will find resistance right here at 104.32, and over that 104.48, and once we get above 104.48, then we can talk about more upside on dollar. Until then, guys, this bear flag definitely playing out, and if that actually plays out completely, you're going to see S&P 500 going even higher. And that's all I have for you guys in this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys.